Hi, I cannot wait to show you what's inside of the brand new premium magazine from Hunkydory. We are looking at volume 12. Now, I've been a big Hunkydory fan for a long time, and to be able to have a box kit here with an inspirational magazine, with a die, with an embossing folder, with the stamps and with a paper kit as well is absolutely amazing. So let's take a look inside. So of course we have this magazine that has 82 projects inside for you to follow on with. These are step-by-step projects. You're going to have photos to help guide you. You're going to have your materials lists as well and inspiration from many of our wonderfully talented designers. So in here, many of the items are using the kit that I'm going to show you in a moment, and this all comes within the premium magazine. I mean, look at these beautiful, beautiful cards here by Sarah. We've got the gorgeous blues and teals, but then along that we've got our Christmas florals as well, focusing on poinsettias. No matter how you love to design your Christmas cards, there's going to be styles in here that will suit you perfectly. You're never going to be left on your own with any of these, because not only do you have the inspiration in the magazine, you also then have the tools to hand. So even if you are a beginner crafter wondering how to get started with your Christmas crafting, you're going to be set straight on your way with everything you need. So also inside the box we have this gorgeous A6 embossing folder. This has the beautiful border along the side here and then that poinsettia as well. You can use the two together, but of course you can also use them separately, and there's lots of techniques for using this embossing folder inside the magazine. We then have the die as well. This is Season's Greetings. You're going to be using this every year for Christmas because it's the perfect sentiment. Beautiful size. You also have snowflakes included in the die that you can then snip out and use separately as well. Then we have the gorgeous stamp set. If I just pop this behind here so you can see the detail, we have two elements in here that match up beautifully with the papers. First of all, we have our fun winter gnomes here. So these are really fun characters. They are absolutely hilarious. You can colour them in, you can leave them black and white if you want to. They're always getting up to mischief. You'll find these stamps then tally really nicely with some of the papers and designs we have that I'll show you in a moment. Then we have our gorgeous poinsettia. So this is more of a vintage feel to this, a traditional Christmas feel with the poinsettia. And we have both sentiments and elements that will match up with these as well. And then this is absolutely what Hunkydory do best, the paper kit. So we have on Adorable Scoreable, which they're very well known for, they're cardstock. We have die cut elements and they are beautiful. So we have the Christmas Past, which is that gorgeous poinsettia, that vintage feel. We have the gold foiling on, which you can see. And then we have the Winter Gnomes. And this has the silver foiling, which has more of a modern and contemporary feel to it. So as we go through, you'll see you have duplicates of some of the toppers, but they are beautiful, they really are. Look at the design, look at the different variations you're getting within your die cut pieces. So we have the topper, then we have a gold frame, then we have a blue and gold frame around this as well. Imagine the layering you're going to be able to do with these. We have ribbon strips, we have sentiment panels as well, lots of additional little buttons and toppers that you can use. You're going to be able to make so much from these. Aside from the toppers, we also have here our cardstock. Now this is our printed and foiled cardstock, so we actually have gorgeous gold foiling on these as well. This is also Adorable Scoreable. That means that has that bendable ink, so if you're scoring it, if you're going to be working with it with your dies and things, you're not going to get that cracking that you get with some papers. It's just going to bend, the colour's going to bend around the paper beautifully. So we have that winter poinsettia there as well, and the gnomes too. These are perfect just for folding in half and creating your card bases for. A couple more of these just to show you different designs. And then we're going to be on to our, let's turn that one the right way up. Then we're going to be on to our papers, our inserts as such. These are just gorgeous. I love these gnomes, they are so much fun. So here's our papers. Now these can be your inserts or they can be your backing papers if you want to do matting and layering with them. Again, a really good quality paper, and these are also double-sided. All of the colours match beautifully with everything else running through this paper kit. They are absolutely stunning. Some of these are muted designs with tiny ditzy detail like the stripes, and some are bigger designs. Then we have our proper inserts. So these are the white inserts that you can fold and put inside your cards so that you can write your sentiments on, or you can stamp inside. But with these, you've then got printed elements. This is only a few of them. There's lots and lots here, lots of different designs that again are going to match beautifully with all of the designs that you've got in that paper kit. So there's everything that you're going to be getting inside volume 12 of your Hunkydory Premium Magazine. I'm sure you'll agree there's an awful lot there for you to get your hands on and loads of inspiration inside the magazine. You can pre-order yours now at craftstash.co.uk.